Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, we're going to take a look at a few different ways that you can customize your dock on a Mac. The dock is the bar here at the bottom that allows us quick access to commonly used apps or open programs. I keep mine pretty basic as you can see here, but let's take a look at the options that we have. To open the dock preferences, you can either right-click here to the right in the blank space and then choose Dock Preferences, or you can open your system preferences and once inside of here, then choose Dock and Menu Bar. Here's where you find your customization options. We'll start at the top and we'll work our way down. First, you can change the size of the dock icons by using the size slider. Next, if you enable magnification and then hover over top of the dock, you'll see the effect that it gives. You can change the size of the magnification again by using the slider. Next, we can change the position of the dock by choosing that here, if you want it for instance on the left instead of the bottom. After that, you can customize the animation used while minimizing a window. The default is Genie, which you'll see when I minimize this window, it kind of has a twist or genie effect to it. If I change the option to Scale, the animation is a lot simpler. Next, double-clicking in a window's title bar has a couple of options also. The default is Zoom, which you'll see when I double-click here, it zooms or scales the window up and down. The other option is Minimize, and when you double-click now, it minimizes the window into the tray. A useful option here is when minimizing a window or app, you can have the window minimize into the app's icon. I'll show you what it looks like here so you have an idea. I keep mine checked, so if I minimize the Finder window here, it minimizes into itself in the dock. If I uncheck that though and then minimize, you'll see it now minimizes to the right of the dock where you can see it, but it takes up more space. The next is another animation option, whether or not to animate while opening an app. After that is another often used option. You can automatically hide your dock when this is enabled. This opens up your desktop and when you need it, just move your cursor to the dock area and it will then appear. After that, we have the Open Applications indicator, which places a small dot under the icon of apps that you have open. And finally, you have the option to show your recently opened applications. Those are the customizations that you can make to your dock. One last thing that we'll look at is adding and removing app icons. I'll open Launchpad and say that we want to add a quick shortcut icon for brackets. To add it to your dock, just simply click and hold on the icon and then drag it to where you want it in the dock. Let go and it'll pin it there. Now to remove an icon, from the main desktop you have two ways. First, just click and drag it out of the dock and high enough until the word remove appears. Once it does, release and it'll then be removed. The other is just by right-clicking on an icon, Options, and then Remove from Dock. And that's how you customize your dock on a Mac. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.